Here are my 5 favorite TCC accessories that I still use constantly. TCC offers many accessories for magicians. Some are very affordable, some not so, but they are generally a great value for the price, if you have a use for them. Here are my 5 favorite TCC accessories. This list could also be used as gift ideas for the magician for the upcoming holiday season. First up is the most recent purchase that I made. It's the embossed leather carrying tube for the cups and balls. It looks similar to a camera lens case. It is a hard case and provides more protection than the velvet bags you normally see with cups and balls, and also looks a little nicer in appearance. It looks to be made of imitation leather or pleather or PU leather, whatever you want to call it. There is no branding visible from the outside or inside. The inside is this felt material. The tube measures 17.5 centimeters or approximately 7 inches tall and 9 centimeters or approximately 3.5 inches in diameter. The tube will fit cups similar in size or smaller than a TCC Artisan cups and balls. These are the RNT2 JES Squatty Cup and they fit with much room to spare. The Mendoza cups I have, however, do not fit. So I'm assuming cups like the Murphy's Legends cups, which I believe is the same size as the TCC cups but do not come with a carrying bag, would fit nicely. I do not own the Legends or Sherwoods to try it out, so let me know in the comments below if you have this and what cups you store inside the tube. Next, we have the luxury leather playing card carrier. It also has an embossed imitation leather finish and has these magnetic clasps. It provides all-round protection for your playing cards. However, it does not have much room for anything else other than a deck of playing cards and its tuck box. I use this to store the Mnemonica Trainer deck by Tom Parkin, which did not come with a tuck box. If you want something larger and with more storage space, this is the Accordion Multifunction Bag by TCC. The exterior again is made from imitation leather. The zippers are really high quality. One side has 10 slots, which are meant to fit your packet tricks, billets or business cards. Although it may be quite snug to close, you can even fit 4 dollar-sized coins and a ribbon for the Charming Chinese Challenge or other coin gaff sets. Other effects that pack flat, like Extreme Burn or Will to Read, can also be stored inside. A regular deck of playing cards or invisible deck can go in the other compartment to complete your everyday carry EDC magic show in a bag. Next, we have the TCC Packet Wallet 2.0. I have had the 1.0 version since 2018 and it has started to show some signs of wear. The 2.0 version has this matte finish imitation leather as opposed to the glossy finish on the 1.0. The 1.0 has this kind of window design and was a very snug fit. The 2.0 however has this cutout slot, which I think is much better. These are great for storing packet tricks, ESP cards, but are not limited to just playing cards. Extreme Burn or even coins like Steve Dushek's Lethal Tender can also be stored. It is also very affordable. The next one is a bonus entry. This is the TCC Basic Card Clip. It also provides protection and keeps your playing cards flat for an affordable $7 US. It is no popper clip, but I am very impressed with the quality for the price. The disadvantage is that it may scuff up your tuck box, and it being metal might not be comfortable when placed in your pocket. All the items up until now make good stocking stuffers. Last but not least is the item I use the most often and is in every one of my YouTube videos. It is the TCC Luxury Close-Up Pad. The fabric is smooth and comfortable to the touch and does not have a nap, which is that color change effect you have when you stroke your hands across the velvet surface. The fabric has a nice intricate pattern. It is a hardback pad and the base is wrapped in this black embossed lychee grain imitation leather. It measures 50 centimeters or approximately 19 inches by 34 centimeters or approximately 13 inches. The luxury pad only comes in this large size. If you prefer a plain design or a smaller size pad, there is also the TCC Leather Close-Up Pad. At the time of filming, some of the items are listed as sold out on the TCC website. Apart from the embossed leather tube, All the other items are available on Murphy's Magic as well, so you can get them from your favorite Murphy's Magic dealer. Hope this helps. Leave a comment below on which is your favorite magician's accessory. It doesn't necessarily need to be something on this list. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.